Water mo na. Tagal na akong din naglalayla. Hindi ko nakakapisado to.
Mami,
Daddy, Daddy.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Hindi na ako marunong maglayla. Walang tao sa X-Plane, Louie.
Pupunta na nga ako sa'yo.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. First blood.
Sino first blood? Louie.
The gun represents
Gano'n,
justice
ano ba tawag doon?
when pointing at the bad guys.
Ang tawag mo doon? Vengeance.
Meron naka-hide sa ano, bush. Kalaban pala yung isang Natalia.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. An enemy has been slain.
Magaling yung ano, funny natin.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. An ally has been slain.
Daddy,
That once little girl
Daddy,
is
patanggal
gonna
ka na
save
ba?
someone this time.
Daddy, patanggal na ako din ang paa. Nahihirapan ako eh.
The gun, an enemy has been slain.
May pani din sila. Dalawa yung kaparehas natin.
Pani. GGE. Tapos say, pani. Eh.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Here! The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. An ally has been slain.
Kaya nga, may pani tayo, may pani sila. May Natalia tayo, may Natalia sila. Aray naman, huwag ka naman nangangagat.
That once little
Nakakatuwa.
girl is gonna save someone this time.
Hindi ka nagsabi ni Pani pala sa abo na.
Uy! Ayan.
Daddy, patanggal
The
ako.
gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Kasi si Badang. May kasama nga. Sinalo nga muna ako namin.
That once
Wala nga
little
akong
girl
kasama dito.
is gonna save someone this time. Request backup. An ally has been slain. An ally has slain the turtle. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Hindi ko alam kung kakampi yung ano, nasa tabi ko, yung malamang kalaban.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Medyo mahina lang yung Natalia niya. Medyo mahina yung Natalia nila. Duwag eh.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. An ally has been slain. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Enemy rampage. The gun represents justice. Enemy when pointing at the bad guys.
Nag-iibang lane nga muna ako.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Nag-iibang lane muna ako siguro. Ano si Pani mo ganun? Nakakalapit ako pa.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Wag.
The gun represents justice been destroyed. Enemy rampage. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret is under attack. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Enemy unstoppable! Shut down!
Galing yung paano
Killing
nila.
spree!
One hit lang ako.
Come back home. The enemy has slain the turtle.
TP, okay.
Ay, halo.
The gun
Sino
represents
nag-TP? Si
justice
Louie na naman yun.
when pointing at the bad guys.
May TP to eh. Kaya lagi tayo napapaaway eh.
Mega kill!
Ayan. Sayang nga naman SS ko.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Enemy
Ang
dominated!
galing ng paano nila. Oh. One hit lang ako. Hindi man lang ako nakapalag. Gali na yun oh, sa taas, Freya.
Our turret is
Go.
under attack!
Kaya mo yan, Freya. Huwag ka na umalis sa base. Huwag ka umalis sa base. Dalawa yan. Ah, ang kulit ni Freya.
The gun
Nanonood lang pala.
represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Time to shine! Your team destroyed a turret. That once little girl is gonna save some. You have been slain. Father, come back
Ako
home.
na pinakamahina.
An ally has been slain. Unstoppable! Our turret is under attack. Represents justice. Ally has been slain. When pointing at the bad guys. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy killing spree. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Louie, CO6. Wala talaga to.
That once little
Our
girl
turret has been destroyed.
someone this
Tulungan
time.
ako ni Fanny pati ano. Badang.
The enemy has slain Lord. Shut down. An ally has been slain. Enemy godlike. Shut down. Double kill.
Shut down, double kill.
Monster kill. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Godlike.
Galing ni Fanny.
Wala po, may village silang kinuha. Pupunta dito.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. You have been slain.
Daddy, tulong! Nakatakbo na yun siya eh.
Sige lang oh. Oh.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Galing mo, Skog.
The gun represents justice. Shut down at the bad guys.
Sorry ko na lang ang matibay ah.
That one turret is under attack.
Really?
Save someone this time.
Mama.
The gun represents justice. Our turret is under attack. Slain. Father.
Huwag ka lumabas, huwag ka lumabas.
Louis 08, Mami 05. Ang galing.
Daddy, oo nga, naka...
An enemy has been. Our turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret is under attack.
Mamatay yung cellphone.
Patay mo na si Skog. Patay mo na yan si
Our
Skog.
turret has been destroyed.
Saan ang charger?
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Yan o, sa gilid.
Saan? Dito, dito, dito.
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Daddy, ito!
The gun represents justice
Patay na.
when pointing at the bad guys.
Hindi naman talaga ako marunong mag-line eh.
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. An ally has been slain. Time and enemy has been slain.
Galing na ang push namin eh.
Lahat naman
Our
ito.
inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. That one little girl.
Yeah,
Enemy
sana naman ako.
Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Parang ang alam ko na to.
Don't give up. Let's try again.
Hindi yan, nauna.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
13 minutes, subos na. Wala sila ba yung lilac ko? Hindi ako marunong.
Attack the Lord. The gun represents justice, Lord. When pointing at the bad guys.
MVP ako sa Diyos. Ikaw na, Daday. Ate, ikaw na. Hindi ako
Sige.
marunong yan eh.
Bakit pinili mo eh? Tulong ka pala eh.
Sino mo ba yun dyan? Hindi mo lang sa pili.
At yan, patay ka dyan.
Sino ako?
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Enemy killing spree. Father.
Alam ko naman mamamatay ako, kaya nga, yung tinira ko na yun. Ano? Hindi ko talaga madali yung Layla na yan.
Our inhibitor
Sabi
turret
mag
is under
pa rin sa
attack.
Layla.
Ang sa likod lang yan na makakampi.
Enemy killing spree.
Yes, susunod mo isa.
Our turret has been destroyed. Under attack.
Tatay.
Defeat.
Dito, tsokolate. Ba, ikaw mo ngayon pumalot pinakamalakas? Lahat kami, po tsokolate. Yung dalawa lang ni Pani yung malakas.
Daddy, enter!
Wala na. Ngayon si Daddy.
Daddy, enter! Naka-ano na!
Daddy! Enter!
Ikaw na lang!
Daddy!
Bilis!
Daddy, ikaw! Wala, kasama pala tayo!
Daddy, enter!
Lobat niya ako.
Ay!
Ayun o, Daddy! Oh! Ayun o! Daddy, ayun o! Tayong dalawa yung ano!
Ano gagawin ko dyan?
Hindi, sabi mo na email mo! Hindi na!
Ayaw ko. Huwag na lang yung dalawa. Hindi na mahulog.